Hi everyone, I'm Sinead O'Donovan, founder of SRC Health. Join me for a quick tour of our journey to becoming your trusted source of medical compression wear. In 2008, inspired by my own pregnancy experiences, I founded SRC Health to address the need for specialised garments for women during pregnancy and postpartum. We're more than just a brand, we're your support for life. Collaborating closely with healthcare professionals and educators, our patented and clinically supported garments are designed to truly make a difference. SRC Health goes beyond compression wear, aiming to enhance women's experiences. Join us on this journey and let's eliminate discomfort together. Our fabrics are meticulously milled to our precise standards, undergoing independent testing before manufacturing. 3 layers, including an outer shell and 2 of the open-hole mesh lining, maintain compression during motion. Experience effective pain relief with our grade 1 level of compression, supporting muscles day and night and stimulating a proprioceptive feedback loop even while you're sleeping. Now, let's embark on a seamless post-surgical recovery journey with our SRC Rehab garments. They are crafted with precision. It's the double-layer superhero cape your wounds didn't know they needed. Specifically designed to provide targeted compression to wounds following a range of common abdominal procedures, including hernia repairs, that's umbilical, incisional or inguinal, laparotomies, appendectomies, laparoscopies, and any other minimal incisional surgery. The SRC Rehab double-layer gusset panel takes center stage when providing targeted compression to wounds, which involve the ovaries and fallopian tubes, uterine, vaginal, vulval, and pelvic floor procedures. And let's not forget our back surgery friends here, laminectomies, discectomies, and spinal fusions. The SRC Rehab garment has your back, literally. With its purposeful design, it's like the architect of optimal compression that will have you pain-free and moving freely again. Last, but certainly not least, for those who suffer with back pain, the SRC Rehab garment with its double-layer back panel will aid in your recovery process and have you moving again.